Hey there, my name is Kathy. Welcome to the Junk Shack, baby. Today's video is the first week with the new rental home. We ordered some cabinets, we started cleaning a little bit here and there, and I began painting the bedrooms. First things first, new door handle for the front door. This door kind of pisses me off. It looks terrible, needs to be replaced, but works fine. I brought my companion with me on this day, and it was really, really cold, and she was miserable until the house heated up. We keep the furnace down when we're not there. Eventually, she got warm in her little spot in the sun, and within an hour or two, she was raring to go. Since I know that this bathtub has got to be thoroughly cleaned before I apply the epoxy paint on it, I decided to go ahead and get started. Here it is before, and here it is after with just one grime-fighting scrubby bubbles. I know it still looks bad, but it is better than when I first started. I'm going to keep on cleaning that. These bedrooms, I decided to trim out first, do all the trim, and it needed 2 coats. Well, actually, we painted the ceilings first, and I had to trim all those. And then I moved to the walls, did all the trim in all 3 bedrooms before I painted with a roller. While I was letting the paint dry, I went around and started cleaning up all the different window sills. It is amazing what a little wipey will do. My youngest daughter got a new dog. His name is Hank. And she's kind of working with him, trying to teach him some tricks. But in the meantime, my dog knows a bunch of tricks. They came by that evening in this little clip. You'll see she's very, very quick to do all the tricks. It just cracks me up.
Hey, hey. Spin around. Hey, hey. Spin around, buddy. Spin around. Shorty will literally do circles around me. Shorty, take them out. Take them out. Take them out.
I'll do them all.
Shorty, take a bow. It's like all the tricks. Good girl.
So after sitting and waiting all day long, the cabinets came about 7:45 on one of the coldest days we've had so far. The order was good. Everything is there. We checked a few that looked crushed. Nothing was damaged. We did get this tall pantry cabinet, and we didn't order it. These are the sinks. This big one here you see is the basement sink for the bathroom down there. And then this will be the kitchen sink. I don't know about this. I've contacted Home Depot. We'll see. And then the destruction begins. They started tearing out cabinets at the top because we still need the sink here in the kitchen because I'm painting everything. It feels like my grandma's kitchen when I was a little girl. This table was so full of tools and supplies. I have the greatest husband in the world. He cleaned it off. He also cleaned up the mess in the kitchen. It was covered with just everything. Alrighty, back to work. Okay, after 2 scrubs, Looking so much better. Probably needs one more. Would you look at that? I finally got a wall rolled. I'm using the wrong nap roller, but it's all I had, and I got a garage door guy here, and I didn't want to leave to get a new one. Maybe it just means I won't have to do 2 coats. I have been looking through all of the different lighting options, and I made a little video and wanted to see if you guys would give me your opinion. Comment below which options you like the most. Okay, I think that's about it for this week. Make sure you're subscribed and tune in next week to see what happens for the next installment. Thanks a bunch for watching. See you guys next week. Same time, same place. Junk Shack, baby.